Come ti chiami?
Giorgia.
Alberto.
Da dove vieni?
A Vanoterra.
Ferrara.
Cos'è imparare in una parola?
Ascoltare.
Cos'è creatività in una parola?
Felicità.
Cos'è innovazione in una parola?
Creare.
Innovazione è cambiamento.
Cosa hai imparato oggi?
Ho imparato che la creatività non è solo una cosa individuale, come credevo, ma che in realtà c'è molto da imparare anche dalla creatività del gruppo.
Ho imparato che la creatività è un processo, quindi non è solo una cosa innata, si può coltivare, può crescere e se coltivata in gruppo può portare a qualcosa di molto importante.
Come ti chiami?
Michael Levin,
Da dove vieni?
dall'Olanda.
Come ti chiami?
Gabriella.
Da dove vieni?
Arcade.
Che cos'è la creatività in una parola?
Divertimento.
Una parola creatività?
Gioia.
Una parola innovazione?
Sfida.
Una parola apprendimento?
Bello.
Cosa avete portato nella vostra borsa oggi qui e cosa vi portate a casa?
Porto l'entusiasmo di un gruppo di studenti giovani che hanno partecipato proprio pienamente e che mi hanno dato tanta energia.
Una speranza e porto a casa un successo.
What's your name?
My name's Andrew Brewerton.
And where do you come from?
I come from Plymouth in the UK, where I am the principal at Plymouth College of Art.
What's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Andy Westwood, I'm Chief Executive of Guild HE. I'm also the Chair of the OECD programme on social innovation, and I come from London.
What is innovation in one word?
Innovation is what's next.
What is education in one word?
Change.
What is creativity in one word?
Creativity is a kind of instinct, it's a kind of perception of something that doesn't exist yet.
What in your experience until now is most important in the relationship between buildings, environments and creativity for innovation?
Buildings either constrain or they enable energy, the performance of energy. So I think energy creates space, it's not the space that contains energy.
And do you feel that policy can support or hinder or are neutral to such a process, such a view?
It's rarely neutral. Policy is always has an impact, and it can help and hinder. In terms of buildings, I think building always comes after. Buildings shouldn't come first, and policy often just gives you money for buildings, or doesn't.
Yeah.
But building and infrastructure should always come after the creativity, after the innovation, after the why, after the what. Form follows function.
The problem with policy is that it's not just one thing and it's never joined up. So there's one policy which is about children, and there's another policy which is about young adults. There's one policy which is about secondary education, another one is about further education, another one is about higher education, and they don't talk to each other. So things get lost in the gaps. Mind the gap.
Mind the gap.
Yeah.
That's very English.
A very good professor in England, a guy called Frank Coffield, describes university policy, college policy and school policy as three slightly short-sighted elephants, always treading on each other's toes and bumping into each other, but never doing anything kind of joined up or effective. It's a good image.